Hi you guys, this is your girl TJ Artistry, and what I have today for you guys is I'm Unique Cosmetics Lustrous Glimmer Gloss, and today I have 10 highly pigmented shades that I would love to share with you all today. So stay tuned and let's get into this lustrous glimmer. No other eyes reveal. So let's get started with the first shade, and the first shade is Tease Me. And this is more of a clear shade, which has like gold and champagne kind of flakes in it. It's extremely pretty. So it's more of a clear kind of gloss, I would say. So let's see. So it kind of just takes on the color of whatever shade that you're wearing. So it's kind of clear. It's a clear gloss with glitter flakes in it. You don't have to worry about it being sticky or anything like that. Watch. No stickiness. So the next shade what we have is Love Fickle, which is another clear shade, but this one has more pink in it than gold. All right, let's see. A clear shade, but more pink in it, I would say. Look how glittery that is. It's so pretty. It's like my everyday gloss right here. Ooh, child. Next up we have Playmate. Oh my god, look at that. It's like bronzy gold, which is so pretty. Nexus Coffee. It's like brown and I don't know, a little purple something happening here. Getting closer. It's a little darker. Next up we have Pleasure, which is more pink tone. Just more sheer. We have Peach Snaps, which is more orangey kind of looking. It looks just like peaches, like the same color as peaches. I feel like I don't have to wear a liner with any of these shades. Up next we have Mooji, which is more like a Nicki Minaj kind of pink, I would say. And this one doesn't have the glimmer in it, but it still shines. And this one here is called Bougie. Next up, we have Downtown, which is almost like a purple pinky kind of shade, and this one really has the sparkles in that tint to it. Up next, we have Date Night. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's kind of like a deep cranberry almost. Or purple, depending on how you look at it. I'm trying to apply this look. Oh my god. That is just like butter. And last but not least, you know, so this one is called Mistress. Oh my god. It's a red gloss and it's so highly pigmented. Y'all gonna see. It looks like leather. My dog is snoring extremely loud. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And this one here is called Mistress. So there you guys have it. I have presented 10 highly pigmented shades by I'm Unique Cosmetics, and I hope you guys go check out their site. It's www.imuniquecosmetics.com. I'm going to leave it in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And right now they are hosting a sale every Friday. The entire site is 50% off. So these glosses, I think you can get roughly around $5 or $6 or so. So head on over and check them out. And I would like to thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, bye.